There's only one solution that repairs a leaky pipe in the home every time: the Tech Patch. The Tech Patch works on copper, PVC, Schedule 40, ABS pipe, galvanized pipe, steel, PEX, HDPE pipe, and poly tanks. You don't have to be a plumber to put on a Tech Patch. If you can see the leak, you can repair it. Rough the surface with sandpaper down to the bare substrate. Make sure it's clean. Spray the activator accelerator on that area. Let dry. Put the adhesive on the patch except for 2 diagonal corners. Grab those corners. Press on. Use a glue squeegee to apply pressure from the middle out, and you're done. A tip: when you're using glue squeegee to apply significant pressure. The greater the pressure, the higher the PSI rating. Now, from experience, we know that you doubt our claim that we can bond a Tech Patch to PEX pipe, HDPE pipe, and a poly tank. Our patented polymer bonding process has been in use for 4 years to bond any and all polymers without a failure. For more information, go to tbbonding.com or call 877-565-7225.